Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the monthly time frame chart of gold. Gold on the monthly time frame is downward. This was the high of the market on the monthly time frame and this was the low of the market on monthly time frame. After this monthly low, gold went up to this lower high, and from this lower high came to this lower low. After this lower low, we may consider that this is a lower high one, though it could be anything. But right now, as we see the market in downtrend, we may count this as lower high one. And now the market, if comes down and break this lower low, and then this will be called lower low one in this setup. Now, what we don't know exactly what will happen, but we conclude on the monthly time frame that in the monthly time frame, gold is in downtrend and expected to break the previous lower low and now is heading towards lower low one. So now let us move to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, gold is in downtrend just like the monthly time frame. And here, this was the high of the market and this was the low of the market on the weekly time frame. From here, gold went up for this lower high and then came down to this level for lower low. After this lower low, gold went up to this lower high one and now is expected to break this level and is going for new lower low one if it comes downward. And now let us move to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, we have not as clear downward as it is on the monthly and weekly time frame. Though highs and lows are the same, but there is a difference between monthly and weekly. They were the same downward, but on the daily there is a clue. It is somewhat neutral, because now if we change, this is the low of the market on the daily time frame. Now this is the low of the market on daily time frame, and now let me show you, this is the high of the market, and after this high, after high, this is the higher low. Now it is showing us, now let me set it, this is the low of the market and this is the higher low. Now let me now I'm not writing it, it's typing it here but not putting the text, but this is the low, this is the low of the market, this is the high of the market, and this is the uh, higher low. So if this level 1953 is broken to the upward, then we can say that will be the higher high of the market. So if we can say that now on the daily time frame, either it is bullish or you may call it neutral, as on the higher time frames of monthly and weekly it is bearish. But we may consider it on the daily time frame either neutral or bullish. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the scenario. This was the low of the market, and after this low, the market went for this high, and from this high came to this higher low, and from this higher low, this high is not broken, but this higher low is also not broken, but it could be said that on the 4-hour time frame it is bullish, either neutral, but it is now no more downward on the 4-hour time frame. If you want to put the buy on the 4-hour time frame, then it is possible, but neither of the higher time frames it is recommended to put the buy on the gold, because on the monthly and weekly it is bearish, on the daily it is neutral, and on the 4-hour time frame it is bullish. Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, gold first became the bullish. Watch here. This was the low, this was the high. From here, this was the low, then this was the high, this was the uh, higher low, then this was the higher high. But on the 1-hour time frame, it once again has changed to the bearish. This was the high, this was the low, this was the high, this was the low, and this uh, what we call it, this was the high, this was the low, this was the lower high. So this lower high is not broken, so it is also downward. So in the conclusion, that the gold on the monthly it is bearish, weekly it is bearish, daily time frame it is neutral, 4-hour time frame it is bullish, and 1-hour time frame it is bearish. So it is better to sell gold than buy. Now it's all up to you. I am not giving any trade in this analysis. Either you are going to buy or you are sell. It's all up to you. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.